breathe, breathe.
One more.
Come on, breathe. Up.
Shawty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the ghost.
Take it in the middle. Step back. Take a deep breath.
Right, okay.
Brace.
Now, the whole time I'm going down though, I'm still holding. Right, and then come up.
Breathe it out. Reset.
Right.
If you start breathing and working on the technique instead of just going up and down, you're way stronger than you think you are. Like, do this one time and do it perfectly. Make sure your back is tight. 1, 2, that's it. Deep breath.
Right. Right.
That's it.
What's up, guys? There are several benefits when it comes to squatting if done properly. The squat is a compound exercise, which is a multi-joint movement that works several muscles or muscle groups at one time. Squatting works most of the largest muscles in your body, such as your hips, glutes, abductors, and your quads. Other muscles engaged are your hamstrings, your calves, and your core muscles. I have a video on my channel on how to sumo deadlift titled How to Grow Your Legs and Your Glutes with Sumo Deadlifts. If you would like to see a how to squat video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I will also leave a link to the how to deadlift video in the description box. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more workout videos. Thanks for watching.
Easy. Come on. Come on.
more? You don't got no more? That's it? Some more. Some more. You got it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh my gosh. You know how my legs gonna feel?
Yes, I do know how your legs are gonna feel.
Like on Tuesday morning, don't ask me, don't text me about no working out 11 days this week.
When?
Not
Tuesday?
being here today, you was in here. No, I'm
At least you don't gotta sit to use the bathroom, use the toilet. I gotta try to sit.
She that bitch, she a dollar, not a dime. Super big, super fine, most important, super smart.